My pipu, kasala don burst. Kasala don burst. Dis one na serious kasala. Regina Daniel don enter into serious problem. If dis is true, na im be sey Regina don enter serious problem. I just pray dat God help her because I like dis Regina Daniel oo, seriously. Guys, you know dat for Nnedi Nwoko being old papa to be busy marrying dis young girls, that there is no how he's not going to put them into having oath that they will not look outside. That even if any man look at them out there, that they will not agree to what the person will say. Come and hear. Bring your seat. Come and just come closer and listen very, very well. Wahala don wear koi this time around. You know, Regina Daniel was running, saying that she's no longer interested when she came back from London. And she found out that Nnedi Nwoko bought a house for some of the women in London, some in different places, even the side chicks. The side chick, that is Chikike. My people. Regina Daniel come tell us say that she's no longer interested because Nnedi Nwoko bought houses for people, bought properties for people, and did not buy anything for her. That Nnedi Nwoko is too interfering. Nnedi Nwoko puts eye in everything she does. Nnedi Nwoko doesn't give her the space to breathe. Nnedi Nwoko always want to know who she speaks to. Whatever she do, Nnedi Nwoko will want to know. She give a lot of reasons. And again, that Nnedi Nwoko planned with her when he got married to her, that he is not going to marry another woman. But now, Nnedi Nwoko went and married Chika Ike, got Chika Ike pregnant. Chika Ike gave birth to twins for him, my people. As if this is true, my correct people, we don't hear another different thing, because since all of this thing have been happening, we have not heard what the man of the house, that is Paned now, we have not heard what he said though. But this time around, Coco, a lot of wahala, woto don dey happen this time around. As this one come dey too serious so. This one is too much and half serious. Okay, you know that time that Regina Daniel went to London, Nnedi Nwoko said that okay, we heard that she requested for a key of one house like that in London, and Nnedi told her that no, she's not going to release that key, not knowing that that house was one of the houses he had for his, I don't know which of the wife. But when Regina Daniel came back, that was when the whole issue started, and Regina Daniel now point out a lot of things that will make her not return back to that marriage. Although some people have been hailing her, telling her that you tried though. Not be every woman go accept to marry this old papa. Stay till now. How many years now you have spent? That if you are just running now, you didn't start on time. My people, do know the reason why there is this cocoa wey happen, that everybody is choking mouth oh. Everybody want to know exactly how it started and why such a thing would happen. My correct people, Regina Daniel went to London. I don't know that her degree she just acquired soon. Is it in London or be different place? I don't just know. But the thing be say, wetin we dey hear be say she went to London. And there is this thing she did. As Nnedi Nwoko don dey complain say Regina Daniel don cheat on him. Regina Daniel cheated on Nnedi Nwoko. So I don't know how true this is. But what I heard was that Nnedi Nwoko said that Regina Daniel cheated on him. But my own is this. Nnedi Nwoko made Regi to took an oath that she will never do such a thing, and any man that will cross Regina Daniel must buy. So why would he come out to start saying this kind of a thing? Why would he come out to be saying this kind of a thing? He made all the wives to take an oath that anybody that crosses them must buy. And again, if anybody crosses them and they come back to him, that is, they come back to his house, that the woman in question will also buy. Not be only the man that cross him. But as long as they cross Regina or anybody, and the woman, that is the wife, did not come back to Ned, that the wife is going to be alive, but the man that crosses her must buy. And I was like, I've not heard anybody buy. I've not heard the news that someone buy because of uh, he crossed Regina. Okay, some people are now saying that Ned Nwoko, this is a cook up lie. You don't know how to settle your marriage issue, and you bring about this particular lies. That is not true. They don't believe you. That they don't believe you at all at all. If you don't know what else to do, go and check yourself very, very well. And my correct people, as this thing is happening, the next thing I heard was that uh, the women of Regina Daniels placed them, that they are the ones that Ned Nwoko them used to do the oath taking. And they have gone to Mama Regina to tell her that, look, if you want your daughter to be alive, look at what you're going to do. If you want your daughter to be alive, look at what you're going to do. If you don't want your daughter to buy, whether she will go back to Nedi or she will not go back to Nedi, as long as it is true that a man crosses her, that she need to come back to their house, to the village for purification and cleansing. Hey, my correct people. This one too much. And Ned Nwoko wouldn't allow. Regina wanted to come to collect her children, but Ned did not allow her. Do you think, because I know that Ned Nwoko and Regina is from the same place, do you think that Regina did what Ned Nwoko is accusing her of doing now? Because this is an accusation. Regina Daniel have not told us that it is true. And we don't know that it is true because we no follow go. Even the women self told Mama Regina Daniel that if you tell us that this is not true, we don't know whether it is true. You self, you don't even know whether it is true or not. Because you are not going anywhere, your daughter is going with her. When she went to London, because they said that it was when she traveled to London that she did what she did, that she cheated on him in London. My correct people, I don't know how true it is, but the women of, I don't know the place, if I've forgotten that name, that is Regina Daniel's people, them, they don't call the mother to tell her that you need to submit your daughter for cleansing and purification. That if you do not submit her for cleansing and purification, that after 3 years, that this your girl, Regina, will buy. Unless you don't want her to buy, you bring her. But if you are busy saying that it's not true, that you know your daughter, there is no how you can swear for the child wey you even carry for back. Talk more of the one wey don grow, wey don dey go anywhere wey she want to go. You cannot swear for them all. And you don't know what these people are capable of doing. Even though you carry for back self, if you pass somewhere, the baby will even turn back and touch something else and throw away somebody's food or something. Now you need to submit how. And Ned Nwoko, I don't know how true what you are saying it is. I don't know how true it is. But I want to understand that if this is not true, that Ned Nwoko is trying to protect himself. He's just trying to protect himself, just to know what to hold hands to say that look at what Regina Daniel did. They need to go and look into their life well. Ned Nwoko, you need to go and know what to do to yourself. Regina is too small for you to handle. Just talk senses into her. Speak to her in the language she will understand. And you will see yourself settle your marital issue. No marriage, every marriage they get issue. All marriages get their own issues. But your own is, if you manage your own very well, nobody will hear you outside. Anyway, guys, this is what I heard from social media, and I was like, I need to share with you that what Regina Daniel is saying is the problem, is not the problem. Allegedly. I don't know which one is the problem. Is it that of Regina Daniel? I be that of Ned Nwoko. And Regina Daniel, as I'm talking to you right now, she don't mean am say she is not going back to Ned Nwoko. That she's no longer interested in that marriage. She need her freedom. And her freedom she must get. So guys, thank you so much. Please do what to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.